Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Firepit Grill Rack is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any outdoor cooking enthusiast's arsenal, transforming your humble campfire into a gourmet grilling station capable of searing steaks, roasting vegetables, and even slow-cooking delicious meals right over the open flames, offering an authentic smoky flavor that simply can't be replicated indoors. Number 5. REDCAMP Folding Campfire Grill. Introducing the REDCAMP Folding Campfire Grill, your ultimate companion for outdoor cooking. Crafted from high-quality cold-rolled steel, it's built for durability and reliable performance on all your adventures. This grill is designed to fit perfectly over your campfire or fire pit. Its generous unfolded size accommodates multiple pots and pans, making meal preparation a breeze. Featuring durable locking legs, it ensures stable placement on any surface. When you're done cooking, it conveniently folds for easy transport and compact storage. The diamond-shaped mesh grill top allows heat to flow efficiently from the campfire below. This ensures your food is cooked evenly and perfectly every time. Make cooking hot meals outdoors easier than ever with this portable grill. It's designed for use with various outdoor cookware, including pots, pans, and skillets, over an open fire. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this grill is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Enjoy delicious meals cooked over the campfire for years to come. What we like. This grill offers robust construction and a practical folding design for easy transport. Its diamond-shaped mesh ensures excellent heat flow for even cooking. If you're looking for a reliable and portable option for cooking over a campfire or fire pit, this is a great choice for your outdoor adventures. What people say. Works great with the pre-made burn pits at all the campsites I've been to. Sturdy and a bag keeps my gear clean. We use both the long and short legs, sometimes in combination. They make the grill very versatile. It's very heavy duty, so we have no issues putting a couple large cast iron pans on it at once. The storage bag is well made and very, very handy. It withstood the fire and our steaks, veggies, and other foods cooked with no issues. Number 4. Sunnydaze Outdoor Fire Pit Tripod Cooking Grill System. Achieve precise cooking temperatures with our adjustable tripod grill. The Grate height can be easily modified to suit your needs, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Built to last, this cooking system features durable steel construction with a high-temperature, heat-resistant finish. It's designed for longevity and easy cleaning, even with frequent use. Setting up is a breeze with its simple, snap-button assembly. You'll be ready to cook in minutes, making it perfect for spontaneous outdoor adventures. This functional grilling set is ideal for barbecues, bonfires, and camping trips. Its portable design even allows it to double as a serving tray. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a backyard grilling enthusiast, this tripod cooking set is your go-to for delicious open-fire meals. Enjoy hands-on cooking with ease and precision. Perfect for scouts, campers, and anyone who loves cooking over an open flame. It's a must-have for backyards, campsites, and rustic getaways. What we like. Experience precise cooking with its adjustable height feature, allowing you to control the heat perfectly. The stable tripod design ensures it won't tip over, even with a full load. If you enjoy hands-on, flame-based cooking and want the flexibility to fine-tune your grilling, this is ideal for campers and open-fire cooking enthusiasts. What people say. The grill rack is sturdy and well-made, perfect for cooking over a campfire. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for transport and storage. The adjustable height feature allows for precise temperature control, ensuring food is cooked evenly. Number 3. Heavy-Duty Folding Campfire Grill. Introducing our heavy-duty folding campfire grill, designed for durability and convenience. It's built to last through many seasons of outdoor cooking. Its unique folding design makes it incredibly space-saving, perfect for taking on any adventure. You'll love how easily it stores away when not in use. Enjoy peace of mind with its food-safe cooking surface. It ensures your meals are prepared safely and hygienically, no matter where you are. This versatile grill comes with both a grate and a griddle, offering flexibility for all your campfire cooking needs. Prepare a variety of delicious meals with ease. Ideal for RVers and campers, this portable grill is your go-to companion for outdoor adventures. Make your next trip even more enjoyable with delicious campfire meals. Proudly Australian-owned, this grill is crafted from high-quality coated steel. Experience the difference that quality and thoughtful design make. What we like. This grill boasts a unique, compact folding design that prioritizes space-saving convenience. Its food-safe cooking surface ensures your meals are prepared safely. If you're an RVer or camper who values portability and efficient storage without compromising on cooking quality, this grill is designed for you. What people say. The grill rack is sturdy and well-made, perfect for grilling over a fire pit. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height, making it versatile for different cooking needs. The large grilling surface allows for cooking multiple items at once, which is great for gatherings. Number 2. PrimeZone 42 Outdoor Fire Pit with 2 grills. This large outdoor fire pit is perfect for enjoying both BBQs and bonfires. With adjustable grates, you can easily control your cooking and even turn it into a round fire table for gatherings. Designed with a mesh sidewall and ventilation holes, it ensures a strong airflow while keeping sparks contained. A poker is included for safe handling of wood and charcoal. Constructed from heavy-duty, high-quality metal steel with a protective coating, this fire pit is resistant to heat, water, rust, and scratches. Its stable legs ensure it stays put. Ideal for your patio, backyard, or camping trips, it creates the perfect atmosphere for any occasion, from winter heating to summer parties. Get your fire pit ready in under 20 minutes with the included components and manual. We even provide an Allen key and gloves for your convenience. What we like. This is more than just a grill, it's a complete outdoor cooking and gathering solution. With 2 adjustable, rotating grills and a large fire pit, it's perfect for hosting. If you love entertaining outdoors and want a versatile setup for BBQs, bonfires, and heating your patio, this heavy-duty fire pit with integrated grills is the ultimate choice. What people say. The grate is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for cooking over an open fire. It fits perfectly on top of our fire pit and provides a stable cooking surface. Easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical addition to our outdoor cooking setup. Number 1. Sunnydaze X Marks Fire Pit Cooking Grate 40-inch. Enjoy classic campfire meals with this essential cooking grate. Its generous size makes it perfect for packing along on your next camping adventure. Crafted from durable steel with a high-temperature paint finish, this heavy-duty grate is built for longevity. It can safely hold up to 25 pounds of food. Grilling over an open fire has never been easier. Just place it over your fire pit and enjoy. The sturdy handles make it simple to move and clean. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a camping trip, this grate is a must-have. The unique X Marks design adds a classic touch to your grilled meats and fish. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this grate provides safe and easy open flame cooking. It's the perfect portable, heavy-duty tool for authentic, smoky meals. What we like. This grill offers a generous cooking surface perfect for campfire favorites, and its built-in handles make it incredibly easy to transport and maneuver. The unique X Marks design leaves a classic imprint on your food. If you're a camper or backyard chef who values rugged, portable gear for authentic, smoky meals cooked fireside, this is an essential addition to your outdoor cooking kit. What people say. The rack is sturdy and well-made, perfect for grilling over a fire pit. It's adjustable, allowing for different cooking heights and better heat control. Easy to assemble and use, making campfire cooking a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.